Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi. Hi. Tell me all the parts we do.
We gotta see where it scratches. Ah.
Only scratches on there, not here.
Yeah? How old are you?
3.
Can you show me with your fingers? See if it scratches at 3.
And I'll try this one. Let's see if it scratches right here. Nope. Let me see. Okay. Yippocaroozy. We are taking the screws apart and we already scratched it. While I do this, do I have to talk?
Yeah.
Why?
Just for fun. What's your favorite Paw Patrol?
Marshall.
You like Marshall the best?
Yeah. Or Rubble.
Or Rubble?
I love Rubble. He fixes stuff and he breaks things that people want him to break.
Is it working?
Might be. Latido, shiro. Screwy.
What is that?
Little screw.
Do you think there's any more?
I see one right here and one right here.
Oh, good. Who's your favorite person to watch on YouTube?
Rubble.
Rubble?
On the double.
A Rebel on the double?
Yeah.
How many screws do we have?
2.
And how many are left?
1.
What's your favorite color?
A green?
Green's your favorite color?
Yeah.
How come?
Because.
What's your favorite thing to do outside?
Swing on the swings and play on my bike.
What the? Alright, what do you see?
Batteries. Makes things do their best.
It makes things do their best.
Yeah.
Where does electricity come from?
Batteries.
Batteries? How do the batteries get the electricity inside of them?
I don't know. From the sun.
From the sun?
Yeah.
That's probably a good idea.
So that goes from your solar panels from your office into the sun into batteries.
Oh, interesting.
That's how to do it. Yeah. I see more screws.
How many more screws?
1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, they're so little. Right side, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Do you think Rebel would come help us take apart the phone?
Yeah.
How would Rebel do it?
He would use a scoop.
And then what?
He likes this.
Just like that? Oh, cool.
Maybe the workman just made this before they made everything else.
Oh, yeah?
Does it even?
What? That's
Wires.
crazy.
Can I break the wires?
I think we gotta leave them in one piece for right now.
Why?
So do you want it to work after we're done putting it back together?
Yeah. The camera.
You think that's the camera?
Yeah.
What does the camera do?
I don't know.
What do you think this is?
Or off button. On and off button. That's how you took apart that phone.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's take out these screws. My phone has this too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm playing games. I'm playing games.
Oh, nice. I think you got it.
This way. Whoa. Now it's all took apart. How do we put it all back together?
Should we try it?
That way. Kind of hard. Well, I can do it.
What's your favorite thing to build?
Phones.
Phones. What's your favorite thing about Mom?
That she breaks food.
Like hot dogs?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about Dad?
Dad breaks food. Why we can't break the wires?
Because if we break the wires, then it'll stop working.
Why? Don't go this way. Why we took it apart?
So we can learn how it works.
This way? This one?
Oh, I think we're still missing some screws.
This one? Oh,
How many screws do we have left?
500. Okay. We need this one. Now the battery time.
Oh, other way.
Why? None of that part?
Nice.
Oh.
How come springs are bouncy?
Because they're supposed to be. Paw Patrol, be there on the double. Whenever there's a problem, let's grab a bunch of bay. Ride her around the us team our pups. Come and save the day. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky will be there. I forgot one word.
Oh, yeah.
We've taken apart the phone. Now putting it back together. Now we'll do this one.
What?
This way. This way.
Perfect.
There.
Nice.
Let's see if the phone works again.
Hello.
Oh, did you get it to work?
Yeah.
Do you want to play?
Who did it?
How do you feel about taking apart your first phone?
Fun.
Yeah.
Can I play?
Yeah, it's all yours now. Can you say, thanks a ton for watching?
Thanks for watching.
I'll see you around.
I'll see you around.